Hi mga loves, magandang araw. For today's video, mag-unbox ulit tayo. Para to sa dalawa kong anak. Share na lang sila. Ayan, unbox ko na siya. Magnetic board siya, guys. Erasable magnetic board. Ayan, open ko na siya. Purple yung pinili ko. Assemble natin siya, guys. I-assemble ko siya. Kasi pwede siyang gawing table. Maliit na table. Para hindi mahirapan yung bata mag-drawing or kaya magsulat. Ayan. I-assemble ko na siya. Gawin nating maliit na table. Maganda siya, guys. Kasi i-slide mo lang. May-erase na siya. Ito na siya, guys. Oh, ayan.
This money?
Yeah. Bunny. Did you like your, ano? Did you like it?
Yes. Hard. You with mommy, you buy that?
Yeah.
A bear. It's a bear.
Yeah, it's a bear. Another one.
Flowers.
Yeah. Did you like it?
Yes. Look. What is the color?
That's an eraser. Okay.
And it's like this is down at the push.
Yeah. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng aming mga videos. Enjoy watching. Bye-bye po.